video, we will learn how to create a database and how to create tables, how to alter the tables, and how to insert the records in that tables, how to update and delete in that tables. If you are new to my channel or those who have not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you like my video, please press the like button and share. For further notifications, please press the bell icons. So now, without wasting our time, let's start the class. In the previous video, we have discussed how to install MySQL connector with the help of pip commands. The steps are what? First, you have to open the CMD prompt. Then you find the script modules. Type the pip installation MySQL -connector -pythons. You can use this command to download and install process the MySQL connectors. After the connections of MySQL, you open the Python IDL, import the packages required for database programming. Then you open the connector to the database. Then you create the cursor instance. Then you, whatever the SQL queries you can execute. Then you close the cursor and databases. So in this video, you are discussing how to create a table, alter table, insert, update, delete in MySQL connector for Pythons in a single row commands. So let me show you this in Python. So once you have installed of connector, you have to open Python IDL. I am opening this Python IDL. Already I am written this program. First, you have to import MySQL.connector as SQL. So this is the name I am giving that SQL. Rather, you use MySQL.connector. Everywhere you write as a SQL. In replace of MySQL.connector, you can write SQL. So it is a alias name of MySQL.connectors. Then use the MySQL.connector and connect functions or method of MySQL. The connector Python required the 4 parameters. What is that? The first is what? It is a host name. The host is what? Localhost. Because that you are using your laptop or PCs, that's why it is called localhost. And username by default is root, and password by default is root. You can change the password and username also. So the next step is what? Database. So I am not written this database because I am creating the database. That's why I am not writing the 4th parameter. So after the writing the 4 parameters, this is connected that MySQL and Python is establishing the connections. Now this connection is established or not, one function is connected I'm writing is connected, that check that connection is established or not. That's why I'm checking that if DB is what? It is a object. So whenever you connect MySQL through Pythons, that you create an object, whatever that object can be, any identifiers, that is DB, X, S, you can type any type of user name variables, that I am taking a DB. So DB dot is connected functions checking that connection is established or not. That's why I'm checking that if DB dot is connected, print successfully connected, else unsuccessfully connected. If something wrong in the whenever you connect SQL.connect function, whatever you write wrong, that means the error will occur, or the error raises, that is called exception raises, that what type of errors is occurs. After that, successfully connected, you see that how this connected is established. Suppose I am writing up to this, you are checking that connected. Now you come to the MySQL. The next step is used to create a connections object returned by a connection method. Now you create a cursor object. You create a cursor object to perform database operations. I am writing cursor one dot execute. Whatever the queries, suppose I am creating a database, I am written create database emp2. It is creating a database. Database emp2 is my own database. Inside the database, you can create the number of tables. That execute functions, whatever that queries is written inside that parameters, that it execute the cursor functions. Finally, I am written that successfully created the database. I am printing a one message if that database is created or that execute the queries correctly. One message will come. Whatever the message you given in the print statement, I am given this successfully created the databases. So in this way, you can execute the MySQL queries through Pythons. Now you run this program and see how that Python front-end application show in the back-end applications. Now you run this. Now you see that messages will come successfully connected. Means the database is connected successfully. No errors. Whenever you type the 4 parameters, that connection is okay. And after that, whenever you create the cursor object and execute the queries is also correct. That's why the message will come successfully created the databases. Now you see in the MySQL, the database is created or not. I am opening the MySQL. See that emp2 table is created or not. Databases, that you see that emp2 is created. Clear? So you are executing that queries in Pythons that create a database emp2 and that database is created in MySQL. So you see how that Python command is connected to the MySQLs. Now you see how to create the databases. Already I am written that programs how to create the table. You see these programs. Same codes I am written that you are connected the databases. Now the database is connected, it is successfully connected or not, it is checked. Now you establish the cursors. Now you execute the queries, create table, and table name is employee data, and the attributes are emp number, integer type, emp name, var character 20. Already you know that what is var character. Var character takes 0 to 4000 characters. Character only takes 0 to 255 characters. That emp salary float types. Now you are creating this database. Now you execute this. You see successfully connected and successfully created emp data table in MySQL. Now you see in the MySQL that emp table is created or not. You see that MySQL, suppose I am writing use emp2 database change. Now you see how to display the structure of a table, that DESC table name emp data table. Now you see the emp data table is created with the three attributes emp number, emp name and emp salaries. Clear about it? Suppose you want to add another attributes in that tables. Suppose I am adding a mobile number. I am passing that command how to add an attributes, that is alter table, table name, add, then attributes, mobile number, integer type and the size is 10. You see, you run this program. Successfully connected, that successfully altered the emp data table. You see in the MySQL the table is altered or not. When you write DESC table name emp data semicolons. Now you see previously that is 3 rows, that attributes are emp number, emp name, emp salary. Now you see that attributes are 4 rows, you have emp number, emp name, emp salary and the mobile number is added in that emp data tables. Now you want to insert the record in that tables. Now you pass that command insert into table name, values. The first attribute is emp number. I am putting 001. Name is Saurabh and salary is 30,000 and the mobile number is this. I am writing db.commit function. What is that commit function? Any changes in the database you want to do, you have to write the commit functions. I execute this. Now you see that successfully connected the database and successfully inserted the records in the emp data table. Now you see that record is inserted or not. Open that MySQL. How to see the records of a table? Select star from table name. My table is emp data. We are putting select star from emp data. Some error is there. Emp data that space is needed. Okay, so putting that use emp2, open that database. emp2 database is changed. Now you put select star from emp you see that one record is inserted in that tables. One EMP numbers, name is Saurabh, EMP salary and mobile numbers. The next is you want to execute the queries that how to update the records. So before updating the records, you insert some records in that tables. So I am putting, what is the command? Insert into table name is EMP data. EMP data values bracket start EMP number 00 command is that here. What is that command? Insert into table name EMP data start. Suppose I am putting 002 comma name is suppose Neha comma salary is suppose 60,000. Neha we put the quotations mark single quotations or double quotation. You can put, the SQL will take single quotations and double quotations, and the mobile number is suppose 97329098. Put it that. You see, next record is inserted. Again you want to suppose insert another records. I'm changing that 3, name is suppose Sumit and the salary is suppose 70,000 and mobile number is something. I'm changing that. You are inserting that records. The third record is inserted. Now you want to insert another records, putting that values. The record is suppose 4 and the name is Amit and the salary is 90,000 rupees and the mobile number is something. Next record. Now you are inserting the fourth record. You see, select star from EMP data. Now you see there are 4 records in the EMP tables. Now you want to update the records. I have written that programs. You open that file. I have written this program update. Now you want to suppose you want to update the salary. You want to increase the salary 5,000 rupees. So what is the syntax? Update table name set salary is equal to salary plus 5,000, whatever that condition. Suppose you are giving that conditions where EMP salary greater than 60,000. Those who have greater than 60,000, that salary added 5,000 rupees. You compile that. You see the successfully connected, successfully update the records in the EMP tables. You see the record is updated or not. You see in this the last table you have the salary is what? 30,000, 60,000, 70,000, 90,000. You are passing the query. Those who are getting the salary greater than 60,000, then you add the 5,000 rupees in that salaries. You see, from EMP data table that greater than now you see the record is changes and the salary is increased as 5,000 rupees. Now how to delete the records? The command is what? The syntax is what? Delete from table name, whatever your conditions you have given, that I am giving that condition, delete from table name EMP data where EMP salary less than 60,000. Those who have less than 60,000 rupees, you delete all the records. You compile this. Successfully connected and the database is, the record is deleted. You see in the SQL tables that suppose select that less than 60,000 rupees, that record is deleted. So in this way, that all the DDL, DML commands you can execute in the execute commands. Thank you.